Hi Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame, Soulmate and Love Connection Energy reading for the month of September 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, Scorpio, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. And if this message does not resonate with you, Scorpio, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising and your Venus sign. Any of those messages may resonate with you. Also on this reading here, Scorpio, we are going to be looking at your energy and your person energy, as well as pulling out the advice card towards the end of the reading. So let's start with your reading here. On this side here, Scorpio, is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the rules or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. The sign that I'm getting coming up for you here, Scorpio, I'm getting a very strong fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. I'm also getting a very strong air energy coming up here, Aquarius, Libra or Gemini, as well as earth sign, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Looking into your energy here, Scorpio, I'm getting a very strong feeling trapped and feeling stuck within your emotion. And I've also got the King of Cups energy coming in here as well for you here, Scorpio. So it's like you are trying to maintain balance within yourself here, within your emotion. Like you are trying so hard here to release the anxiety or to release the fear. Because what I'm getting coming up for you here, Scorpio, is that as if you are in a huge storm is what I'm getting coming up. You're like everything is just like almost like a very strong inner conflict energy, as well as inner turmoil energy is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Scorpio. It's like your energy is all over the place. Sometimes your anxiety can be like really on top, or just like your fear, frustration, just overall here I would say feeling uneasiness. So with this King of Cups energy coming up here, I think you have tried so many options available here. You have tried like to go through a medication, you have tried to like meditate, you also have tried to like balancing your chakra and all of those stuff, but for some reason you still feel that way. You still feel like as if there is this huge war within yourself, and you have no idea how to control it, and you have no idea how to calm yourself at this point of time. Here is what I'm getting. So what happened here, Scorpio, is that with this Four of Swords energy that I'm getting coming up for you, you don't even know which way that you need to go or what you need to be doing here. So it's like almost like a hopeless energy is what I'm getting coming up for you. At the same time here, the overall energy that I'm getting coming up for you here, Scorpio, is that I've got the Nine of Wands energy coming up here. This Nine of Wands energy is basically referring to the wall that have been building up surrounding yourself here. So the main issue or the main blockage at this point of time here within yourself here, Scorpio, is that you are unsure how to release all of this pain and all of this trauma, all of this triggered emotion within yourself here. The reason why you're feeling trapped and the reason why you're building up all of this defensive wall surrounding yourself here, because you want to protect yourself. You want to protect yourself from something that had hurt you in the past. So without you even realizing here, Scorpio, is that subconsciously you are still living in the past. You're still having that very strong fear. Okay, if I do this or if I don't protect myself, whatever had happened in the past will actually be repeated again here. And you're still like living in that energy. You're still like living in the past here, that you're being too overly cautious about what is going to happen. And this is what making you to even like unable to free yourself in general is what I'm getting coming up here, Scorpio. And this is what causing all of this emotional turmoil, causing all of this emotional instability that you're facing within yourself at this point of time. So for you to actually completely heal yourself here, to actually completely release all of this emotional pain and emotional trauma here, just like a meditation or chakra, yes, it's definitely going to be helpful. But at the same time here, you have to like face the fear that you have within yourself here. What is that particular trigger that has already rooted within yourself here? Scorpio, and how do you deal with that? Do you have to forgive yourself, or do you have to forgive anyone who might have done wrong towards you? So go in that direction is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Scorpio. Now let's look at into your person energy coming up here. It's quite interesting because I've also got the Four of Swords energy coming in here for both you and your person. So what I'm getting coming up here, Scorpio, is that just like you have no idea which way to go and what to do about all of this emotional pain and emotional turmoil that you have within yourself, is the same thing as well that your person are feeling at this point of time. I'm getting a very strong separation energy coming up here for you, Scorpio, or that could be like a fight, misunderstanding, unnecessary argument that might have been happening between both of you. So with this Four of Swords energy coming up here, some of them here are still on their ego and they do not want to make the first move, but majority of them here, Scorpio, is that they're also feeling this very strong guilty energy coming up, because with this Seven of Swords and the Five of Pentacles energy coming up here, I'm getting a very strong feeling defeated energy coming in here from your person here, Scorpio. They are feeling defeated and they are thinking within themselves at this point of time here that they have lost all the chance to get you back, is what I'm getting coming up here, Scorpio, because deep down within themselves here they feel like, okay, this is it, like the Scorpio has completely, like mad at me, upset at me, and I would never actually have a chance to get them back. So this is all going on within themselves here, and this is also what makes them to be afraid to put that step forward, is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Scorpio. But deep down here I've got the Two of Cups energy coming in here for of how they think about you and of how they feel about you here, Scorpio. So with this Two of Cups energy coming up here, they actually see you as someone that they can be with. They actually see you as someone that they can open up themselves with here. They see you someone that there is going to be like an equal give and take energy and equal respect here. But again, the fear is what's stopping them from coming towards you at this point of time here, Scorpio, because deep down here I've got the Ten of Cups energy coming up here. They do want to have a family with you. They do want to have a union with you. Here is what I'm getting coming up quite strongly. So let's start with the advice card for you here. Alright, so I've got Goddess coming up for you here, Scorpio. Honor your divine feminine energy. See your inner beauty. Love every part of you. So this is just confirming the message that I've got for you here in the beginning of the reading here, Scorpio, that you want to heal yourself. You want to be emotionally stable, but at the same time here you're doing it in a wrong way. You are focusing too much on, like, okay, I need to be better. I need to be better. I need to be better. But what you missed here is that you haven't really fully addressed the deep-rooted issue within yourself. What were the major trigger? What made you to be living in the past, or what made you feel that you cannot love yourself completely? Like there is this always, like half and half energy is what I'm getting coming up. While for both of you, I would say here, for you and your person here, Scorpio, the courage energies is something that both of you need to be paying attention to here. Like both of you at this point of time is actually lacking up the courage. They are lacking up the courage to come towards you because of the fear, or because fear of rejection, I would say here. And for you here is that because of this a high wall up that you've been building up within yourself here, Scorpio, you are afraid of getting hurt again. So fear is the major, is the mutual energy between both of you here, is what I'm getting coming up. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates for the month of September 2021. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.